Okay, guys, check this one out. This is Thailand butchers doing their thing in the market, 6 o'clock in the morning. This guy is removing the fat from pork skin. You see by the mountain of fat he's got there. It's been a busy morning. This skin will probably be used for crackling, but some of it will be used in Thai cooking as well. Nice sharp knife and a little bit of skill makes it look easy. Nothing to it when you know what you're doing. These guys are prepping chicken legs. These chicken legs will be used, put on bamboo skewers, you know. It gets sandwiched between two pieces of bamboo. We'll see that later in the video. These are very, very small chicken legs. Thai street food, the barbecue chicken legs. This is how it gets done. They do cut them a little different here than I have seen before. Normally they expose the bone from the bottom so they get even cooking. But this one you see right here, they're exposing the bone from the top and cutting a flap. Don't see that very often. I have seen it, but it's not common. I like how they cut the foot so it folds over. Just a quick snap. And there they are on the bamboo skewers, ready to be seasoned. They'll be marinated and then barbecued over charcoal. You never know what you're going to see in the morning markets, that's for sure. And this one was a good one. Welcome to Maktaha.